support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
We have our next guest here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
Okay, my name is Mingming Guo. I'm the co-founder of a company called Genhigh Tech, and the company is focused on home cleaning devices. So we are doing like full house, starting from designing, engineering, manufacture, and sales and marketing for innovative products in the home cleaning sector.
I didn't know you did manufacturing and everything.
We do have a factory.
Okay.
Yeah, spend a lot of money on that.
I would imagine so. That is information I did not have, even though I've known you for a couple of years now.
I know. Like it was like happened literally just 1 year ago. Like we just want to make sure the quality control is there, and also we're able to bring the cost down to provide, affordable products to our customers.
Sure. And I know that's been a big part of the company's focus.
Yes, that's right.
All right. So we've teased the live audience with you running to asking the question, can I go get the fur? So but we didn't tell them what it is we're looking at. So I'll let you do that.
So at my company, there were two product lines. One is the home, like the floor cleaning sector, which we're not going to talk about today. But the second one is a pet cleaning. So people are asking me, what is a pet cleaning line, right? So I would say, do you have pets at home?
Yes.
Your dogs?
Yes.
Yeah. Do they shed a lot?
Oh my God.
Yeah. So what's your biggest pain of being a pet parent?
Killing vacuum cleaners with the amount of hair that comes off of a dog.
It's everywhere, right?
Yeah,
everywhere in the house, right?
Doesn't matter what you do, you're always going to have pet hair showing. Yeah, you can wear black with a black dog, and it's not going to stop it. You're still going to be covered.
Yeah. So I'm also like a big pain for myself. It's also like after I do cleaning or brushing the hair, I just need to clean it.
Yeah.
And it like literally causes me back pain. I'm not kidding.
Sure.
Yeah. So our idea is really simple. Like instead of you use a vacuum, right, to clean the floor, how about just let's prevent it, the pet hair like dropping on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because like we're trying really hard to like think about a way of fixing the issue basically. So we come up with this idea, which is it's a vacuum. It's also a pet grooming kit. What it does is super simple. The hair sucking to this hose and then goes into this vacuum directly, right? Okay, so we provide 5 different attachments.
Okay.
This is the clipper. You can clip,
Sure.
do at-home grooming. Deshedder.
Okay.
Deshedder. Okay.
Yeah. See, that solves
that's
solves
important.
my pain point of the hair being everywhere.
Yeah, part of that. Yeah. This is a daily brush.
Okay.
Yeah, so it doesn't really go that like undercoat as the deshedder, but you can just brush it every day. And these two, they are the cleaning brushes. So for example, this one you can use it on your couch. So this one you can just like vacuum your like jacket or something like, which is, it's useful. It's like daily tour, right?
Covered in hair.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, so this product comes with like 3 different suction powers. I know we understand that a lot of pets are very sensitive to noises.
Yeah.
Some pets are not, but some pets are, and especially for cats. Yeah. So we have improved the suction power. If you guys can hear it, can you hear anything? This is the first level.
I'm having to get right up in it to pick anything up.
Yeah, it's super quiet, right? And this is the second level. You can clearly feel the difference.
Yeah.
And this is the max.
And even that, it's really not that. I'm putting my head back where it was. It's
not that bad,
really
right?
not loud at all.
Yeah. So
it's certainly not the sound of a vacuum, which
no way near.
Famously dogs will run away from or bark at. There's none of that here.
All right, let's go back to the second level.
Okay.
And then, guys, okay, this is where the magic happens. You see the hair just sucking there? Like, oh, crazy. Nothing left. Nothing left.
Yeah.
It's pretty long, right?
Nothing. I came away with nothing from that.
See? We also provide like 5 different measurements for the clipper.
Okay.
For you to be more convenient.
Sure,
yeah.
sure.
So let's change another attachment. The one attachment I really like using is the deshedder. And also it's super fun for me to demo. Like I really enjoy demoing it. All right,
You
let's
can always
go.
tell when somebody really likes their product.
Oh, I do. I am, yeah. See here? Do you see it?
Yep.
Do you guys see it? If
Yes.
not, I'm going to do that again.
Were you able to get that, Michelle?
Okay.
A little lower. A little lower.
A little lower.
Right
Okay,
there.
Right there. You see it?
Yeah.
Let me do that again. You know, I just like, I enjoy this, okay? I really do.
Oh my God.
So it keeps the hair on the brush.
Yeah, and then just like
And
press
then you push
this.
the button and it sucks it up in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this is actually it's called Neakasa P2 Pro.
Okay.
So Neakasa is my brand, which is a play of it's NEA KASA, but it's a play of neat casa, Spanish casa. So it's meaning like cleaner home, clean home. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, it like that makes sense, right?
I was wondering that last night.
Yeah, I know, right?
where-
Yeah, I have
where the
to
name came
explain to
from.
people.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's kind of a play of that. So
And it's interesting because I struggled to remember the name, and now I won't.
cool, awesome.
It's stuck. It's there.
Okay.
The company name, I'm solid on. We've known you for a while.
yeah,
but
right.
the brand name I was struggling to hold in my head, and now it's
Yeah, cool.
it's locked.
So this is called Neakasa P2 Pro. So
Okay.
why it's P2 Pro? Because it's an updated version from the P1. P1 is the first generation we launched about 1.5 years ago, and it became the Amazon top seller within 6 months.
I saw that.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's like 6,500 reviews. 6,500.
Reviews.
Yeah, reviews.
Wow. And
And
obviously, if it's a top seller, they must be good reviews because people keep coming back.
4.6.
See,
4.6 out of 5.
you can't even. Gordon Ramsay's restaurant can't even get a 4.6.
You're very right. So it is like very rewarding. Like we sold just a ton of them. People love it. People love it. But this is an updated version, which
Okay.
meaning what are the differences? It's bigger. The tank is bigger. It's like double the size of the P1.
Okay.
It's higher suction power. However, it's quieter.
Okay.
Yeah, the reason why we're making all these changes is because like we get so many feedbacks from our users, and they're great. They're like, if you check on the Amazon page or our official website page, there's a ton of feedbacks and suggestions
Yeah.
that we seriously consider them. Yeah.
That's fantastic because you have a product that people love, and they're saying, "I really love this, and I'd love it a little more if." Right? Great. So on the next version, let's get rid of the if.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I mean,
absolutely. Do you want to try this?
yes.
Have some fun, like
I
driving
absolutely
it.
want to try this.
Okay,
Am I in this shot, Michelle?
Yes.
Okay. So,
I go for the longer one, longer hair.
so over here. And then, I mean, basically nothing in the grand scheme of things, and that may have already been there because you were pulling it off. Yeah, I mean that's.
Guess how much
There's
it is.
nothing here.
Guess how much is the retail price?
I don't know. Let's go for $200.
$200?
Yeah.
So this particular one is 179.
Okay.
The first generation is a little bit cheaper, like 159.
Okay.
Yeah. But
So you can still buy the first.
what?
You can still buy
Yeah,
the
yeah,
first
yeah, yeah.
generation if you want to.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course, definitely. And if you send your dog going to a professional groomer, that's somewhere between like $100 to $150, including tip.
Yeah, it's unbelievable.
Yeah. So
The price has gone through the roof in the last couple of years.
oh yeah, definitely. But like I mean, just spend the cost of one grooming session.
Yeah.
Why this one? And I can guarantee you, it will not only solve your problem, your pain in the ass hair everywhere problem, but also save you a ton of money.
Yeah.
Because think about that. If previously you send your dog to a groomer, like let's say 6 times a year, now you only need to send her to the groomer twice or 3 times a year. How much money are you saving? Like $400 or $500, right?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
it.
that's fantastic. It's a cool product. It's really compact, and I like how it's obviously designed so that you can keep it all together.
Yeah, so everything included. You don't have to spend extra on buying different attachments. It's just everything included here.
Yeah, that's a great deal. And I love that you've got different lengths.
Oh yeah. We
Of
also
guards.
have this little thing. I cannot remember the name for that, but it's kind of just like
What?
prevent the hair like dropping off. All these small tiny
Oh, okay.
details, like for example, this one, right? There is a button here, like you can just press the button and then take it off. Versus the first generation doesn't have the button, so there's just like a lot of details
Okay.
in there. Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, and I think I heard that maybe the hose was on it originally.
The original version, the first version, is the hose is connected to there, so you cannot take it off.
Yeah.
So just in case, like, if your dog bite the hose and then
Right.
broke the hose, you have to just like replace with a new one, right?
Yeah.
But this one is like all the details are considered.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And
So-
and they're available now or coming soon?
Yeah, it's available. It's available
Okay.
on Amazon. It's available on Neakasa.com.
Nice.
So
nice.
if at Amazon
nice.
you search Neakasa P2 Pro, you will be able to find it. And in fact, we're doing a promotion right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So it's a new product. We want our Amazon rating to be higher. Yeah. So that's the reason we're providing right now. But it's just for a very really short time of period. 129.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's not gonna be there forever.
You heard that, right? 129?
$129. That's a really good sale price.
Like it's
bargain.
$50 less
Yeah.
than the original price. But we're gonna
It's-
pump it up, but like pretty soon.
It's $30 less than the first gen.
Yeah. Is that crazy?
The reason to get the first gen is because it's less than the second, and
Well-
now it's not.
Well, Amazon has a different rule. However, it's not going to be 129 forever.
Right.
It's going to be just a very short amount of promotion
Okay.
time. Yeah.
Well, fantastic. Definitely go check it out.
Yep.
It's a cool product. You watched me demo it here. That's the first time I've touched it. And it works amazingly well.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. And thank you for coming and talking to me.
Yeah, thank you
And
for having me.
Thanks for showing it off.
Okay. I'm glad you guys have power plug here. Otherwise, I cannot demo.
I had a lamp here earlier, and yeah, we're prepared for you.
All right. Cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of the show.